Hi guys! Today we will learn how to use VLC Player on iPhone. If you just installed this app and feel confused, don't worry because it's actually very simple to use. So let me show you the basic features step by step in the easiest way. First, unlock your iPhone and go straight to the App Store because that's where we'll get the app. Now search for VLC Player, and once it appears, simply tap the download button. It may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, so just wait for it to install. Once the app is ready, we can move to the next step and start using it. After downloading, open the VLC Player app from your home screen. As soon as the app opens, you'll see a clean layout, which is honestly very easy to understand. The main sections are shown clearly so you won't feel lost inside the app. This is where your videos and audio files can be managed smoothly. Now go to the video section inside the app. Here, you'll be able to watch your saved videos directly in VLC Player. If you have imported videos already, they'll appear here and you can play them instantly. This is super helpful because VLC supports many video formats easily. Next, tap on the audio section at the bottom of the screen. This area is perfect for listening to songs, recordings, or other audio files. You can also search for the file you want, which saves time, honestly. So if you use VLC for music too, this feature is really useful. Now tap on Settings from the bottom right side. Here you'll see different options that help you customize the app your way. For example, you can adjust playback speed if videos feel too slow or too fast. This gives you more control and makes watching easier. Inside Settings, you can turn full screen video on or off anytime you want. If you prefer videos opening in full screen automatically, just enable it. Then tap on Appearance and you can switch the theme to light or dark mode. So the app can match your style and look better for day or night use. So guys, this is how you can use VLC Player on iPhone in a very simple way. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. And comment below which iPhone app tutorial you want next.